Korma. Fish. A main dish from Bangladesh. Serves 2. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Use large fish for korma. Do not cut the fish into too small pieces. Step 2. Except for the green chilies, add all the rest of stuff into the cooking dish. Mix well. Heat covered on low heat. Step 3. Turn over the fish. Step 4. When the water has almost evaporated, add the green chili and heat for another half hour on very low heat. Step 5. When oil begins to float on top, you are done. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.